43 steps per minute now. The noise is beginning to show already. 48 steps per minute. 53 steps per minute. 58 steps per minute. 'Manually advancing it creates the same noise. See? I think it's coming from this part of the assembly. Cannot pinpoint exactly the location, but I think it's somewhere in this hub.